What's up, YouTube.com? It's your boy, John McGarrett. In today's video, I want you to change your mind about your objective in creating content. So this is to grow on YouTube. Since I've done this, I've gone from like subs here and there to like 4 to 5 subs a day. And for context, I run 20 YouTube channels with 3 of them in triple digits now. I've been doing that for about 6 months, and I've been experimenting with YouTube on one channel for a year. So with that being said, my highest channel has like 346 now, and it is going to be monetized well within the next few months, I believe, as long as I can keep with the pace that I'm keeping up. And it seems every time I post, I get 20 to, I want to say like 10 to 30 subs on each video, and that's about once a week. If I keep improving my craft, I feel like that'll go faster and faster and faster. But anyway, so changing your objective. What do I mean? What I mean by that is that instead of like, so this was a big pitfall for me in my journey. It was like I'd post a video and I got a taste of views. Some videos would do a few thousand, and then I would like look at that analytic bar that had the 48 hours, and it would just like each candle would be like 20 views, and then 30 views, and then 40 views, and then 50 views, and it would get up over 100 sometimes. And I was just like addicted to that feeling. I was getting that dopamine from succeeding. That was my success, my measurement of success. And then I started looking at watch time. Then I started looking at CTR, and I was trying to get those numbers all to go up. But all of that ended up being very emotional and like roller coaster-y. So that ended up making me like hit the ground hard once I realized that I couldn't repeat those results, and it just happened seemingly randomly because I'm so new in this. And it made me feel better than I actually was. So then I was going through a depression cycle where I was like, man, I'm not good enough, whatever. How do I do that again? I need to do that again. I need that feeling back. And it made me realize that I was chasing the dragon and lost focus of like what I needed to do to become a better YouTuber, or like how you're going to survive this grind, how you're actually going to make it, at least for my, you know what I'm saying? That's why I said in the beginning, the context. But essentially, what I changed my mindset to, what I changed my objective to was not my new high score, my new dopamine is now tied to the amount of work that I'm able to produce a day. So that's the whole thing. Change your objective to the work. Say like, I want to work for 1 hour today. And then tomorrow I want to do 1 hour and 1 minute, 1 hour and 2 minutes, 1 hour and 3 minutes. And essentially, as long as you set a goal and then you set an extra progression to that goal, then you will, your brain will still get triggered some dopamine, and you'll be able to grind out a lot better. So by changing my objective to number of videos created, I've made everything else secondary. And so from doing that, I have been able to go from like struggling to make like 2 or 3 pieces of content today to like this week or last week going from like 5 videos to this week. Monday I did 9, and today I'm on track to probably hopefully beat that. I don't know. I'm going to try my best. I developed a simple strategy called down the list and then reset, where you just go down the list of my channels, and then I make videos for them, and then when the day ends and a new day begins, I just reset no matter where I'm at. From doing that, I'm not getting stuck on my longer projects on the video that I'm kind of bottlenecked at on channel 10. But when I get to that channel again, I'll work a little bit on that, and then eventually that video will get done, and that's my RuneScape channel. And then by doing that too, I'm putting more hours into that video, also producing other videos beforehand, so I'm not losing my focus on my other channels that need a little bit more support, a little bit more priority. And that like my old school RuneScape channel is it's speaking for itself. Like I dropped a 1 minute video that got 7 hours watch time and 700 views, 5 likes, 5 dislikes, which I don't care about that. But I just looked at it this morning when I was doing my my main channel overview. But just change your objective to do the work, so that the objective is, if I get X amount of work done, you feel good. Not basing the metrics off things you can't control. Because if you do that, then you're at the will of the people, and then you turn into like their little biatch. And then I feel like that's where some creators go down the dark path, where they like destroy themselves for views, become like self-deprecating, and they like rely on that. I feel like that's a manifestation of that. So there's my quick video about how to grow as a YouTuber. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.